There was disappointment this morning as scores of senior citizens turned up for the COVID-19 vaccine at the Cumberland Road Health Centre in St. Catherine, only to find the gates closed. As you hear in this report from Cody and Barrett, the people insist they were registered and were given a date for the jab.
Following announcements that all persons over 60 years will be offered the COVID-19 vaccine, several St. Catherine residents in this age group signed up for inoculation earlier this week. They were instructed to be at the center on Saturday at 9 a.m. Unfortunately for the elderly, the scheduled appointments for vaccinations were postponed without prior notice.
I'm very disappointed because I could have gotten it otherwise another place from day before yesterday. But come here now, how disappointed I feel. I don't know.
I'm very disappointed because I want to have the vaccine, because I'm tired to wear the mask. So I want to see that everybody get the vaccine, and things come to normal in Jamaica again.
When they showed up, no one was at the facility. Only these signs on the door outside informing that only persons over 75 years old will be vaccinated next week. But the last-minute notice was unacceptable for some.
Even on the gate, they should have put something. I don't know. I don't understand people. We need to hear from somebody, Not because we are old people. No formal communication, no communication at all. When I come and see a place locked up, no one is here to even tell you nothing. No sign on up and it says nothing.
Well, I would have thought that they took our numbers, so they could have at least sent us a message, WhatsApp or call or something, email address or something that nothing is happening today.
Luckily, most persons who showed up to the center resided in the area or nearby. Vaccinations are scheduled to take place between March 22 to 28. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.